Hello and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective, and today I am here to take a look at this Tonor TM20 USB conference microphone. So Tonor got in contact with me and asked me to take a look at this, and I agreed. So this is being provided by them, and I am here to give it a quick once-over to see if it is worth your time and money. So it is a 360-degree microphone that claims about a 5-meter range. It has a USB 2.0 compatible cable and has a USB Type-C interface on the back of the puck that we see here. It has a one-touch mute microphone and it retails for about $30 US. Now on the website it did say that it would work with pretty much every operating system and program, so we're going to put that to the test by running it in Linux, because if it runs in Linux without drivers, then you're pretty safe for the other ones. It comes with an instruction manual, which actually is pretty well written. It gives you some details on the microphone if you care about the specifics. And once again, we have color photos that clearly show you how to set this up in both Mac environment and Windows, and of course multiple different languages. So the manual itself is actually very well put together, and that's kind of nice to see. We do have I believe this cable is still USB 2.0, even if it has a Type-C end. So just be aware of that if you want to use it for something else. And then we have the puck itself. And the puck has some nice weight to it. We see 3 rubber feet on the bottom to kind of help it from not sliding around too terribly much on the table. And then of course we do have a capacitive touch button in the center. So let's go ahead and plug this in and do a little bit of testing with it. All right, so that's plugged into my T430S just off screen running Linux Mint. And as you can see, we have the button showing blue, which means the microphone is currently active. If we tap it, there we go, it turns red, indicating that the microphone is now being muted. It is worth noting that there are no other connections on this, so there is no pass-through, so very much designed for conference environments, not necessarily streaming or anything else where you might want to listen back to the audio that you're currently receiving. Again, not really a big deal at the price point that they're offering it at. All right, so I am currently recording audio from this unit right here, and I will lay it over with the power of editing in the video so you can hear what it sounds like. And I will then switch back to the camera microphone, or the lapel microphone that I use, so we can get a comparison on how that sounds. And again, I'm approximately maybe 2 feet away or less from the microphone currently. And then of course the mute button works as intended. So now I'm going to walk away at a greater distance. This is approximately 5 feet, maybe 6 feet. And then this would be the audio at about 10 feet, which is probably the maximum range that you would want to use this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so for $30 US, it does the job. There really isn't a whole lot to say about it other than it does what it says on the tin, and at the price point it's at, it makes it a pretty safe and reliable bet. It's weighted, it's got nice pads on the table. I really am a huge fan of capacitive touch buttons if you've seen the other microphones that I've reviewed on this channel, mainly because there's no clicking or disturbing of the mic and the sound, and to me that is really, really important. If you do want one of these, I'll leave some links in the description down below. And if you enjoy this sort of content, I would encourage you to do the big 4. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so the next time I feature a microphone or other audio solution on the channel, you'll be the first to know about it. Thank you so much, and I shall see you next time.